Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Subaru Forester windshield wipers. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, your new wiper blades, and a soft cloth. Make sure your new blades are the correct size for your Forester. Having everything prepared before you start will make the entire process quick and easy. This simple preparation saves time and prevents interruptions during the installation. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, look for the small tab or clip where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade straight off the arm. Support the arm as you remove the blade to prevent any damage to your windshield. Installing your new wiper blades is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. After installing both new blades, it's time for a quick test. Hop into your car and spray your windshield with washer fluid, then activate your wipers. Watch closely to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass without leaving any streaks or missed spots. This confirms proper installation and optimal performance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view and safer driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.